In this video, we'll show you how to scan documents on your Samsung Galaxy phone without using any third-party app. So to do this, first open the camera app. Now here tap on this 4 dots at the bottom and then tap on this gear icon here. Once you are in the camera settings, enable this option that says scan documents and text. Simply enable it. Now go back to the previous menu and you will need to point your camera towards the document you want to scan. Once the app detects the document, simply tap on the save icon to save it to the gallery app. Now once your document is saved, open this photo viewer and you will see this document that is saved in the camera app. Now if you want to convert it into a PDF, you can tap on this 3 dot icon, go to print and then select this save as PDF option and then select this PDF option right here. It will ask you to where you want to save the PDF. Now if you want to use this method to create a PDF with multiple documents, what you can do is snap all those documents one by one like this. So I'll just copy the same page again and then save it here. Once you have done this, head to the gallery app. Now here you will need to find the documents that you have just scanned and then select them. So I'll just select these 3. Now tap on this share option at the bottom and then you will need to select the Samsung Notes app. So I'll just select that and then select create a new note. Once all your photos are added to the note app, you can tap on this 3 dot icon, select save as file and then select PDF from here. So this will allow you to create a PDF where you have scanned multiple photos. So simply save your PDF and you are done. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.